So our lovely patient who's 68 years old comes in. She's about 9 months out from her deep plane facelift under tumescent local anesthesia. And she comes in and she's very graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about her entire experience and how she feels about her results.
I feel young and I feel fabulous about my results. And the journey wasn't a difficult one. The tumescent anesthesia was perfect. I think I slept a little bit, but even when I kind of woke up, there was no pain. So I felt totally in control. Yeah. And then afterwards, there was really minimal pain. I didn't have to take any of the really harsh pain meds, Valium to sleep the first couple nights. I used an ice pack to prevent swelling, but then I got tired of it because, I looked in the mirror and was like, man, this looks pretty good. So I can't be more happy with the way it turned out. And the other thing, the staff were just so gracious, so professional and yet warm. And so just the whole experience was a great one.
That's awesome. That's awesome. You mentioned a little bit about the anesthetic that we used, which was tumescent anesthesia. If you were to consider doing this again or share this experience with another person, how would you feel about doing this under the tumescent local anesthesia versus doing it under general anesthesia?
Oh, I wouldn't do it under general anesthesia. General anesthesia, you can die from general anesthesia, just from general anesthesia, and I knew all the risks, and I just didn't want to put myself voluntarily under general anesthesia. So it was a criteria for me to not have general anesthesia. I would have the tumescent anesthesia, totally comfortable with it, totally fine. I was a little nervous because you think, okay, they're cutting my face and I'm not really under, but it wasn't like that at all. And so I'm totally happy with the procedure, with the follow-up, with the way I look.
Well, that's fabulous. Well, you look great. And the last question that many patients come in here asking, is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
Absolutely. I wouldn't hesitate to let them know if they were considering facelift surgery, I would steer them here.
You're wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.